smile.
Bless you.
I will be serving beer from my head. New comedy all night long. Crazy night.
I'll turn on the charm, a little Julia Roberts laugh.
Coming soon on NBC. Undeniably colorful, seriously smooth, and in excellent condition.
Those are your lips. With new CoverGirl Lip Perfection. It doesn't just give you beautiful color now, it gives you more beautiful lips in 7 days. In a single stroke, rich color rocks your lips. In a single week, Silk Therapy moisturizers help smooth and soften them. How perfect.
Can you say hi to Daddy? Huh? Yeah.
Beautiful CoverGirl.